Travis here from Patriot 5 Racing. Decided to cut out early here Thursday, go up to the Bass Pro Shops where they do a insane car show, over 800 cars here. We got the privilege to be able to bring Gregory, my son, here, first time ever in the coupe. What'd you think?
It was definitely louder than I expected.
Yeah, but was it fun?
Yeah.
It was definitely fun. We're here. We got a great crew here as far as representing for Factory 5. So if you're in the neighborhood or if you do it every other Thursday, look up Mass Cruisers. We'd love to have you down here.
All right, hey guys, Nick here from Factory 5 Racing. We just decided to cut out of work a little early today. We haven't been to a show in a while, other than Syracuse Nationals, of course, which just happened very recently. But we figured this is a good spot to come on a Thursday afternoon when the weather's good and the cars are all running great. This is a 5-liter Coyote-powered one here, our Mark IV 20th anniversary. You want to take a look here? So ran great, stayed cool, drives nice and tight, stops perfect with these Willwood brakes. Overall, great experience. Can't wait to see what the show is like now.
Because it's a 289 USRC and FIA. You only built 5 of the race cars. Oh, okay. And that's what this one represents. Hi, Ed Casey. This is my MK4. I got the kit in 2017, completed about 2021. Drove around in gel coat for a couple of years. Loved the great cruise night, great weather tonight. The thing I was telling Mad Dog earlier was that I enjoyed driving the car, but a lot of the fun was building it. You know, the nights in the garage, Saturdays with my kids, and just sitting back and putting something together and say, wow, look what I just did. I just put this together. It's an amazing voyage.
Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? This is Ron Everett. I'm up here at Gillette Stadium, Mass Cruisers. Took a ride up today, beautiful day out. Just took a ride up in my Mark V here. I think it's the first one completed by a customer outside of Factory 5. Car's looking great, ran great. This is a Gen 3 Coyote with a T56. Ran fantastic on the way up, about 2,000 RPM at 75 miles an hour or so. T56 is real nice, 6-speed, about 430 horse at the wheels, tuned. Car ran great, really solid. The new Mark V chassis, super, plenty of room in there, bigger than the Mark IVs that I've had. So yeah, it's just a great day, great car.
Well, guys, here we are, Bass Pro Shop, another successful night here. Great time, great people. What do you think, Nick?
Plenty of great customers with great cars, unbelievable builds, absolute ball.
Well, you know, just put this one in the wraps. Anytime anybody's available, they want to come on by, see us here at Bass Pro Shop. Please let us know. Mass Cruisers.
That's right.